Alright, Zeno and Titan TV man. You've been waiting 28 days? Here's the tutorial, finally. Sorry it took a little while. And also, if you guys really haven't noticed, the Executor Titan Speakerman is pretty much a copy of Titan Speakerman, like the Lego mock I made. You'll see it in one of my newer shorts. It's pretty much Titan Speakerman, but you take off both the speaker columns, take off the arm cannons, and you replace pretty much all the red with black. And then once you do that, it's pretty much just the Executioner or Executor. Can someone tell me in the comments if it's pronounced Executor or Executioner? Type 1 or 2. 1 is Executor and 2 is Executioner. Thank you guys. For the halo piece, you're gonna need this blue transparent piece, and you're gonna need this paint acrylic marker, I think it is. And once you start coloring it, you guys don't have to color the whole thing, because once you guys color the top, the red pretty much just goes right through it.
1 hour later.
This is what it should look like after the drying process. The drying process is not that long, but anywho, this is what it should look like at the end of it. Now we're gonna start off with this coat piece. The coat piece is a fabric I got at Benjamin Franklin, and it's gonna be 8.5 centimeters long and 6.5 centimeters wide. Now watch this step very carefully so you guys know how to attach the coat of the Executor Speakerman. What you're gonna do is try to put the center of the coat right under the 1x3 piece, and then you're gonna put a black 1x1 stud right over it to pin it in place. Now for the tricky part, getting both sides of it stuck under the brick. So you're probably gonna want to raise the arms up to do so. You want to try pinch them together so it's easier for you to put the brick back on. Because if you just try to shove it in there, it's gonna work. It might not work, or it may just rip. And it should look like this as the end result of it. This is the Executioner Speakerman. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. May you guys have a blessed day. Catch you guys later.